Ever wondered why developing a web application can feel like navigating a labyrinth? Well, let's unpack this. Web application development is a complex dance of logic, design, and technical skill. You're not just coding, you're creating a user experience, building an infrastructure, and crafting a digital masterpiece. Firstly, you've got to master multiple programming languages: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, Ruby, the list goes on. Each has its strengths, its quirks, and its challenges. They're your tools, your paints and brushes for this digital canvas. Then, there's the databases. They're the heart and soul of your application, storing and managing all the data. You've got to understand how to design them, how to interact with them, and how to keep them secure. Speaking of security, it's not just about protecting data. It's about ensuring your application can stand up to threats and attacks, maintaining the trust of your users. And let's not forget performance. Your application needs to be fast, responsive, and reliable, regardless of traffic or load. But what if we could simplify this process? Enter the world of business templates, your secret weapon to faster and efficient web development. Imagine a world where you don't have to start from scratch each time you embark on a new project. A world where you can leapfrog the mundane and dive straight into the heart of your application. That's the world business templates open up for you. Business templates are pre-designed frameworks that provide a basic structure for your web application. They come equipped with all the standard features and functionalities that are common across many applications. This means less time spent on repetitive tasks and more time for the unique, creative aspects of your project. They can streamline your workflow, boost your productivity, and drastically cut down your development time. So whether you're using Django, Flask, or Node.js, business templates are an invaluable tool in your developer toolkit. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's dive deeper. Meet Django, a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development. Often referred to as the Python Powerhouse, Django is renowned for its ability to simplify complex coding tasks, making it a popular choice for developers worldwide. Let's delve a bit deeper into the advantages of Django. One of the most profound benefits of this robust framework is its adherence to the dry, or don't repeat yourself, principle. This concept is a fundamental aspect of coding, emphasizing the idea that each piece of knowledge should have a single, unambiguous representation within a system. By following the dry principle, Django allows developers to reuse code effectively, reducing repetition and enhancing efficiency. In addition to this, Django places a strong emphasis on the reusability and pluggability of components. This is a game changer for developers, as it means that they can reuse existing components in different parts of their application or even in different projects. This leads to a significant reduction in the time and effort required for development, making Django a highly efficient tool. Moreover, Django's design is incredibly versatile, allowing it to cater to a wide range of project requirements. Whether you're working on a small personal blog or a large-scale commercial website, Django can handle it all with ease. Its scalability makes it a fantastic choice for businesses of all sizes. The Python Powerhouse is also known for its excellent documentation and vibrant community. These resources provide invaluable support to developers, offering guidance, troubleshooting assistance, and opportunities for collaborative learning. Finally, Django's built-in security features are noteworthy. The framework is designed to help developers avoid common security mistakes such as cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, and SQL injection. This makes Django not just a powerful tool, but also a secure one. Django is indeed a powerful tool, but it's not the only one in our arsenal. Welcome Flask, a micro web framework written in Python. Now don't let the term micro mislead you. Flask may be small, but it's a marvel in its own right. It's the little engine that could, in the world of web development. And it's about to show you just why size isn't everything. Flask is known for its simplicity and flexibility. It's like a blank canvas waiting for you to paint your masterpiece. It doesn't impose any dependencies or specific project layout on you. This means you're free to structure your project as you see fit, using the tools and libraries that best suit your needs. It's like being given the keys to a sports car and being told, "You drive." But don't let this freedom intimidate you. Flask is also incredibly user-friendly, making it a great choice for beginners and small-scale projects. It has a clean and easy-to-understand syntax and a strong community to back you up. You don't have to worry about getting lost in a maze of code. Flask is straightforward, efficient, and to the point. This simplicity, however, does not compromise its power. Flask is robust and capable of running complex web applications. It's a testament to the saying, less is more. With Flask, you get a minimalist approach that leads to maximum results. Its lightweight nature ensures your applications run smoothly, providing a seamless user experience. So, whether you're developing a simple blog or a complex e-commerce site, Flask has got you covered. It's a micro-framework that packs a punch, proving that great things indeed come in small packages. It's not just about getting the job done, but getting it done well. With Flask, you're not just building a web application, you're crafting a work of art. So, there you have it, Flask in all its glory. But remember, as with any tool, it's not about which one is the best, but which one is the best for you. Flask keeps things simple, but what if you're looking for something that's more JavaScript-oriented? Stay tuned, because next we'll be diving into Node.js, the JavaScript Juggernaut. Say hello to Node.js, a cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. This is the JavaScript Juggernaut, a force to be reckoned with in the world of web development. It's not just another tool in the box. It's a game changer. Node.js is a breath of fresh air for developers, especially for those who are already comfortable with JavaScript. It's like having a familiar friend in an unfamiliar territory. You see, traditionally JavaScript is a client-side language, meaning it runs in the user's browser. But Node.js, it's different. It takes JavaScript out of the browser and into the server. It's like giving your old friend a new superpower. This superpower, known as server-side scripting, allows developers to produce dynamic web page content before the page is sent to the user's web browser. That's right, with Node.js, you can use JavaScript to interact with databases, manipulate files on the server, and do all sorts of things you typically couldn't do with client-side JavaScript. One of the biggest benefits of Node.js is its performance. It's built on Google Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine, which is blazing fast. This means your server-side code will run quickly, making your web applications more responsive and efficient. Another great thing about Node.js is its event-driven architecture. This means it can handle multiple requests at once without slowing down. In the world of web development, where speed and efficiency are key, this is a major advantage. And let's not forget about the thriving community around Node.js. There are thousands of open-source libraries available, which means you're likely to find a solution to your problem without having to reinvent the wheel. In summary, Node.js is a powerful tool for web developers. It allows you to use JavaScript, a language many developers are already familiar with on the server side. It's fast, efficient, and supported by a vibrant community. Node.js brings the power of JavaScript to the server side, making it a valuable tool in your web development toolkit. So, how do you pick the right tool from these options? Well, it's not as daunting as it seems. The key is to understand your project's requirements, your team's expertise, and your project timeline. Let's start with project requirements. If you're building a complex web application with a lot of moving parts, Django, with its batteries-included philosophy, could be your go-to. On the other hand, if you're looking for a lightweight solution for a simple application, Flask might just be what you need. Moving on to your team's expertise. A tool is only as good as the person wielding it. If your team is proficient in Python, Django or Flask could be a good fit. But if JavaScript is more your team's forte, then Node.js might be the way to go. Finally, consider your project timeline. Some tools have a steeper learning curve than others. Make sure to pick a tool that your team can get up to speed with quickly. Remember, the right tool is the one that best serves your project's needs. Developing web applications doesn't have to feel like a Herculean task. With the right tools at your disposal, you can simplify the process and produce high-quality results. In this video, we've explored the power and flexibility of Django, Flask, and Node.js, three business templates that have revolutionized web development. Django, the Python powerhouse, provides a robust and scalable solution for complex applications. Flask, the micro marvel, offers a lightweight and flexible framework for quick and easy development. And Node.js, the JavaScript Juggernaut, brings the efficiency and speed of JavaScript to the server side. These templates not only streamline web development, but also enhance productivity, reduce errors, and foster collaboration among developers. So why not give them a try? Don't forget to subscribe to the Programmer 10101 channel, share your thoughts in the comments, share this video with your network, and hit that like button. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of programming.